everyone, I am Amrita from Karnataka Hubli. Today I am going to make mozzarella cheese pizza lasagna. These are the ingredients: garlic powder, chili flakes, oil, oregano, pepper powder, salt, pizza topping, olives, some fried onion, cooked corns, mozzarella cheese, baby corn, capsicum. But this lasagna is little different. I am going to make a healthy and a tasty recipe. We will need some mint, some palak, some coriander and some chilies. Let's grind it. Some garlic pods, 5 to 6 garlic pods, some ginger pieces, some jeera, some palak, pudina, coriander, some chilies, ready. Let's make this a fine paste. Now, I have taken some wheat flour. Let's make this. Let's put this into the. Let's mix this nicely. Let's mix it finely. Let's add some salt, some oil, let's make it a soft dough, adding little water at a time. Let's knead it to a soft dough. This is done, guys. It's looking so nice. My dough is ready. Let this dough cover and rest for up to 15 minutes. Till that, we'll make some white sauce. Let's on the gas. Let's keep the flame on high position. I have some ghee, 3 tablespoons of ghee. Let's add some maida and mix it. Make sure that it consists of no lumps. And roast it for 2 minutes. It has been roasted. So add some milk at time. Make sure that it consists of no lumps. some water, some milk, 1 glass of milk and 1 glass of water. So friends, its consistency is very good. Nice consistency. Let's add some salt and pepper powder to it. Some chaat masala. Add. The sauce is ready. Let's turn off the flame. 15 minutes done. Now let's take out this dough. So friends, this dough is done. I am going to make the lasagna in this bowl. Let's make this into small parts. I am making 3 layers, so I'll make some small balls. So guys, 3 balls are ready. Let's roll them.
Can go down first. Start.
So friends, let's cut the edges according to your container. Now all lasagna sheets are ready. Let's plate it up. Friends, now let's apply some pizza topping sauce. It's done guys. Now some white sauce. White sauce is done guys. Some mozzarella cheese. And some pizza toppings. I have onions, capsicum, bell pepper, some baby corn and some corn. First layer is done guys. Next layer. Second sheet is ready guys. I have some olives. Let's place them also. Now some salt, some pepper, some oregano and some chili flakes. I have some garlic powder guys. It tastes really awesome in this lasagna. This is ready guys. Let's bake in a preheated. This is ready guys. I have plated up. It's looking very delicious. This is a very healthy and tasty recipe. It's made up of pudina, palak and wheat flour. Try this guys. Please like, share and comment this.